I made over $1,000 in just one day. Not using signals, not using indicators, just pure price action. And the best part? Anyone can learn this strategy, no matter your experience level. Let me take you back a few months ago. I was just like every struggling trader out there, losing money, doubting myself, watching one strategy after another fail. I'd tried MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, even paid indicators. Nothing worked consistently. Then I decided to stop relying on others and started learning pure market structure. That's when everything changed. Section 2. The strategy setup. The strategy I use now is based on 3 simple things: a strong breakout from a key level, a clean retest of that level, confirmation candle to enter with confidence. Here's how it works. You draw your support and resistance zones. Wait for price to break and close above resistance. Then wait for price to come back and retest that zone. Look for a bullish engulfing or hammer candle. Enter the trade with a stop loss below the zone. Section 3. The $1,000 trade breakdown. So on the day I made $1,000, I was watching the market open. Price broke a resistance level I had marked the night before. I didn't jump in immediately. I waited for the retest. A hammer candle formed right at the zone. I entered with $200 on a 1 to 3 risk-reward setup. The trade moved slowly at first, but once volume picked up, it hit my target in under 6 hours. Final profit, $1,070. With 0 indicators, just a zone, a retest, and discipline. Section 4. Mistakes most traders make. Here's what most traders do wrong. They chase trades. They don't wait for confirmation. They over-leverage on small accounts. They don't trust their setup. I used to do all of this. That's why I lost money. But when I started trusting one strategy, one system, my account started growing. You don't need 10 strategies. You need one that works, and you need to follow it like a robot. Section 5. My risk management rules. My trades follow strict rules. I never risk more than 1% per trade. My stop loss is always logical, below structure, not random. I only trade when volume is present, usually first 2 hours of market open. This discipline is what turns average traders into consistent ones. Conclusion: this strategy won't make you rich overnight. But if you follow it with discipline, it can change your trading life. I'll be sharing this full setup in upcoming videos. Live examples, entries, exits, all explained. Drop a comment if you want me to break down my next trade step by step. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss it.